What did you get?
Emergency jerky.
All right, so we're in Valdez and driving out to the lake where there are icebergs that float around, but since the lake's frozen, we could actually walk out to them and hopefully get ourselves into some ice caves. All right, so these chunks of ice are actually icebergs that would be floating around in the water if this lake was not frozen.
That's kind of cool. It's like spiderwebs, that's what it looks like.
If you put your face up against this stuff, you can kind of see way deep in there. There's little like spines that are kind of hard to see here, but it's like a result of the glacier melting and then refreezing as it drips. Those look solid. They're not going anywhere, ever. Speed is our friend, speed is our friend. We're just kind of hoping these don't choose to fall now. Wow, did you peek under that thing?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Whoa, go, 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 go. It's fine. Sorry, that scared me. It was just, it's a glacier, so it pops. All right, I'm going in a second time here because after a panic departure, I missed this really cool crack that Kelly says I must see to believe. Oh, yeah. That is. These rocks in here are just like crazy. Crack, crack, crack. Time to go. Good times in the ice tunnel.
I heard that one.
Good.
I mean, boat just went and fucking bolted. Your face was like, and I was like, yep, I know, I got it, I'm going.
You are always taking a risk going into something like this. There's no doubt. But we've decided to stick our heads in here one last time. Hope that's not the last thing I record before an ice block crushes my skull. But anyways, remember when you're going out and having adventures anywhere in the world, but especially Alaska, try and use caution so you don't wind up dead. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you want to see more videos that are somewhat like this, subscribe. So yes, that was me crashing my drone into an iceberg behind us, which caused one of the rotors to break. But the next day, I was still able to get these shots with that same drone because amazingly, I was able to find a replacement part in Valdez. And that was provided by Seed Media, who not only happened to have a spare rotor, but refused to even charge me for it, leaving me forever grateful to that organization. Guys, I appreciate what you did for me so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you.